Welcome to AI Flow, friends. In this video, we'll cover how to set bot replies in the bot manager. First, click on Bot Manager, then select your number. If you've connected multiple numbers, choose the one you want. Next, go to the bot reply section. At the top, you'll see a Create option. Click it to open a new window for bot creation. You'll see various options and buttons there. Double-click on the window to set up the message. This is where you decide when the bot starts, like if someone sends hi or hello, the bot will begin responding. So here, we set the trigger message for the bot. After that, we can configure the bot's responses. If you have to give the name, then for now, if we name the bot from here, let's give a demo and then we will lower it down from here in this way. And after saving the save here we set that hi or hello message. If it comes, then this bot will start with us. So after this, if someone is sending hi or hello message, then message him. If the reply will be done, then see from here as we click on this and this. If you break in the way, then there are so many options here in this way. Like there is text, image, video, audio in this way. If we will cancel it from here, and if we show it to you here too, then here, see, this is text, this is image, video, audio, this is video, this is your files. If you want to save these locations in this way, then all these options. So from here, we can click on this button in this manner by dragging and bringing it here, and we can bring it, this is the message of this hi. No, after that, if we have to send some reply text here, then it should be sent to this. You can connect in a way if you right click on it, then delete from here. And there is also the option of clone. So if we want to delete it, then you can delete and click here again and click on the text button. If you click, then by creating by default here, you get it when this. We will double click on the button, neither here to write you a message. The option comes and this Windows, if you want small, big zoom. If you want to try it or scroll it, then your keyboard scroll button. If you just rotate what is there or rotate the scroll button, then now, when we save this, you'll see a message saying that our settings are that whenever someone sends a hi or hello message, they will receive a welcome to message. If we want to send more messages after that, we'll click on the text here again to send another text message. If we want to send an image, we'll click on the image, double click it, and from there we can encode any photo, etc. and share that photo. Now, whenever I message hi or hello, this message will be sent. Then it can be deleted from here by right-clicking on it. In this way, if we are on videos and want to share the video, people visiting here will then go there, and you can upload the video by double-clicking from here. It has to be deleted from here. If we want to send a file of audios, then we need to share the audios from here by clicking on it. If there are any files, some documents, etc., then for that you go to the files here. If you want to send a message, there are some buttons below and some headings above in the message. If you want this kind of message, you need to go to interactive from here. As you double click it, look here. You will get the option to write the message here. You will get the option to write your header here, and we will save it from here. We will not save from here. Look here, you can see some more options like next button, list of messages. So we want this message to have 2 buttons below it. For that, in the button tour, you will click and drag the buttons like this, and we will name the buttons here in whatever language we want. Then we will name the buttons here. We will name the buttons here. So here we will give pay in Hindi. And here, when someone presses the Hindi button, what message should come here? Is it a send message, or is there some flow or some default action? From here, we have to go to send message, and then from here, we have to save. And after saving, look here, we set up a button named please select your language. There's also a button named Hindi. And then here we want to include another button. So just click once more from here, and by double clicking this, we will give another name from here. We will name it English, and again from here we need to send a message and save it. Let's make it a bit shorter if someone clicks it.